This is by far my most memorable time with my cousin Kakay. Who would have thought we could hang out with our age differences, diba? Siya early 20s and me late 30s. But nag-enjoy talaga ako. And I learned a lot. Alam mo naman ang kuya, kailangan ng mga updates. But I hope na you too enjoyed our time together. Love you! So guys, we are now in the Sforza's Castle. Ipapasyal natin si Kakay sa loob ng Sforza's Castle. Tara sa loob. Kita nyo how majestic yung castle. Napakalaki, no? Tara, punta tayo sa loob. Pero actually napasyal ko na kayo dito eh. Ilang beses na rin ko kayo napasyal dito. Eh si Kakay, hindi ka pa nakakapunta dito, di ba?
No.
Oh, kaya si Kakay naman ang ipupunta natin. That's the Castello. So guys, nakakita kami ng parang medieval map ata to, or dito medieval map. Yan. No! Ang hirap na may mga aso talaga. Napaka-atrimitida kasi. Anyway, ito nga. So ito yung map ng pinapakita ko kay Kakay na dati ang map ng Italy is ang map ng Milano is it is a walled city. So ito yung first wall dito. Tapos, ito yung second wall na naabutan yung malapit sa bahay natin. Ito yung kung saan ako lagi nag-vlog, di ba? Ito, yung Piazza 24 Maggio, this one. Ito man talaga Kakay, di ba? Ang mga kalsada, ayan o. Kasi ito yung pinaka, doon. I'll show you. Papakita natin. Tapos, yung bahay natin, kung nasa na, ito, nandito ang bahay natin. Noong unang panahon, puro lupa pa lang. Walang kahit lupa lang.
Tingnan niya.
Look at you, Kakay.
Ayaw na maglakad.
Kasi ang dilim mo, hindi ka kita dito ka saan. Ayaw niya na maglakad, kaya buti na lang mayroon dala tayong bag. Para kay chance. Ayaw na maglakad, pagod na siya. Yung isa hindi pa pagod Pero don't worry kasi meron pa naman tayong isa pang bag para kay Hermes. Let's go.
Lagyan siya ng yung
These are
leash.
from United Pets Buchanan.
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, yeah. I always knew that this would happen.
Ay! Yung aso ko, pag nakakita kasi siya ng nakita siya ng halaman or ng lupa, pupupo siya. Basta may halaman. Pumupupo ba, Kakay? Nakakaloka.
Nakayuko na ko
Parang pupupo na eh. Buti na lang, meron tayong Kailangan natin ng puppy bag. Wala nang puppy bag ang Kuya Bondo.
wala sige. Naihilaang eh.
Naihilang ba?
I think so.
Ito mahirap dito kay kay Chance eh. Kung saan-saan siya pumupupo, kung saan.
Wala kuya.
Wala. Let's go.
Ano kang gusto na?
Diyan ka pupupo sa ko talaga. Hindi, napupo nga ako. So ito ulit yung Princess Courtyard. Madaming tourists. Tapos ito yung... No! Ayun na yung Rottweiler! Si Chance, yung tinahulan niya, Rottweiler talaga. Eh, ang liit-liit niya. No! Oh, tinan mo, Pit. Bull Terrier. No! Bull Terrier naman yung tinahulan. Nakita nyo? Bull Terrier naman yung tinahulan niya. Nakakatakot yung... Yung Rottweiler, nakita mo? Grabe. So, ayun nga, as I was saying, ito yung nag-isip kami ni Kakay kung papasok kami sa Arts Museum, idala namin yung mga aso. Pwede kaya tayong pumasok. Tara, let's eat na. Gutom ka na.
Yes. It smells really nice. May
Tikman mo nga,
tinapay.
tikman mo. Sabi mo nga sa
I'll just have the
Baka
meat.
you put parmesan on that.
But there's cheese on it already.
Oh, pero you still put parmesan.
Italian way. Okay?
Taste it.
Hindi ko muna mix.
You can mix it with whatever you want.
Yung meat mo. Masarap talaga yung beef.
Masarap.
Mm.